I'm going to play you a quick clip of a video that was taken in Bristol over the weekend, which is a protest taking place, and a little bit of argy-bargy between the protesters and the local police who were controlling it, or supposed to be controlling it. Just have a quick look at this clip and just take notice of what both sides are wearing, what the protesters are wearing, and also what the police are wearing. And then I'm just going to come back and make some comments on that afterwards. So what did you notice? Well, a few things are clear. If you look at the protesters, they're all wearing pretty much exactly the same outfit. All wearing black puffer style coats with hoods, all wearing face masks, black, either black balaclavas or black wraparound sort of scarf face coverings. So clearly there's a large element of coordination there, because they've all gone out of their way to go and buy the same outfits and coordinate to wear the same outfits. And they're pushing and shoving and causing trouble and trying to cause aggro, trying to be provocative to the police, not actually really throwing any punches or doing much, because I don't think they're capable of it, but they're just there to cause trouble. And they're all dressed exactly the same, and all of their faces are covered, all wearing hoods and or caps and or face masks. And then you look at what the police are wearing, and the police, considering that there is trouble there, are all wearing just standard uniforms with caps and high-vis vests. No riot shields, no crash helmets, no truncheons drawn whatsoever. So my question to you is this: if the people wearing black, who are Antifa, left-wing extremists, stand up to racism types, if they had been wearing England shirts and baseball caps and carrying Union Jacks or England flags, and they'd been pushing and shoving the police like that, what do you think the police's reaction would have been? What do you think the police would have turned up like? Would they have still just been wearing high-vis jackets and flat caps? Or would they have had riot shields and crash helmets? And if there's a difference, why is there a difference? And why is nobody in officialdom or the authorities remarking on the difference? We can all see it. It's clearly different how they police the two groups. And yet the strange thing is, not exclusively, but most of the time, the people that turn up at the pro-Britain, patriot gatherings, the protests outside hotels, etc., are not masked up. They don't hide their faces. They don't hide their identity. They're not ashamed of who they are. They're not ashamed of what they're protesting about. Yet these far lefties, the so-called Antifa or Pantifa, as I prefer to call them, hide their faces. Why is that? Why don't they want to be seen? Why don't they want to be identified? Why are they ashamed of their cause? Surely that's them being deliberately provocative. Yet they get treated with kid gloves and the other side doesn't. But apparently we don't have two-tier policing. But apparently groups are not treated differently in this country. The truth of the matter is, if the police just disappeared for a day and let the two groups go at each other, we know exactly who would win and what the outcome would be. There would be only one outcome. But this lot get away with being provocative and pushing and shoving, because I suppose at the heart of it, everyone knows that's the best they can do. Just food for thought.